welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And today on the mix, we have Dwayne, and he's talking to Tina Chin and Lorraine. He's stating and sending a message to Tina Chin, though. He's saying that she should, have learned and she should have stand alone. He's imploring her to stand alone like he did. He's saying that most of us, we don't want to stand alone, and that's the problem why Tina Chin ended up in the situation that she's in. He's saying she got the lower part or the lesser part of the stick. I won't say it as he said, but yes. And so he's sending a message to Tina Chin and Lorraine. And I want you guys to listen to it. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. As always, have a wonderful day.
Tina Chin and Lorraine. Tina Chin, I heard you made a statement I heard you made a statement on one of your lives saying I think you said you hate all Jamaican bloggers. I'm like, wow. 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 Oh, and you're not stagnant. He said a lot. He said a lot of things, a whole lot of things. You know what I think your problem is on social media? I'm gonna tell you what I think, what I've analyzed about you, and I'm gonna tell you what I see. The problem with you, Tina Chin, you can't stand alone. You have to feel like you're a part of something, a part of a team, to feel like you're actually doing something. I know every time you somewhat team up with people, you always get the shitty end of the stick. Don't you realize? You know, realize? Do you see it? Do you see it, Tina Chin? Oh, and I heard you said you can't stand average Jamaicans, but me, I don't hate you. I don't hate you. Did you not hear what I just said? Tina Chin, listen, you must learn to stand alone and stop joining up with people. You see the stance I've taken on here to stand by myself and don't align myself with anyone. All of you, if all of you took the same initiative, we would not be where we are today. Where a lot of these riffs have been coming left, right, and center and presenting themselves in our faces. That goes for all of you. I've analyzed all of you. I have. I've studied all of you. Don't you guys realize, as much as a lot of you might not like Donegal, when I say, do you see what she does? She's still, even if people say she's affiliated with people, she just cuts and go through by herself. When I see it, Don't you guys see it? Do you guys see it? Look at Michelle LaDonna. Have you guys analyzed her? She stands alone. Before, she was team. But look at her now. She stands alone. Donegal stands alone. As much as people align themselves with her, she stands alone. If only all of you could take this initiative and stand alone too, you wouldn't be in the shit you're in right now, where 3/4 of you are having to come out and defend yourselves and throwing people's families into your conversations. Is that fake piece still over here? Fake, can you just go away? That Jackie person, go away. Go and get a life. You're pathetic. Imagine you have to come on my page with a fake page. You see? You're sad and very toxic. Very, very toxic. And you have nowhere going than being on social media, being a damn troll. You're gonna die a troll too. If social media is still around by then, you're gonna die a troll too. Yeah. All of the Jamaican bloggers need to learn to stand by themselves. You ask yourself this question. When you came into this world, did you came in this world in a team, or did you came in this world alone? When you're gonna leave this world, are you gonna leave this world a part of a team or alone? I want what going in that box. Are you on somebody else, or is it just you alone? Apply that principle to your life too, and maybe a lot of you would not be in this shit that you're in continuously. Lorraine, you must learn to stop inserting people's family members into your conversation. Lorraine, you know, funny thing. Bitterness. It's ugly at times. Yes, I'm sour power. Yes, I might be swollen, but trust me, I'm far from bitter. What do you mean really? Talk your mind. What do you mean really? Yes, really. Lorraine must learn to stop adding people's families into their conversation. Shit, all of you. Because you know what I've analyzed? Everyone does it. Everyone does that. Minus a few. Yes, I've done it too. But the people I've talked about were adult people. And I only did it because that person talked about my family first. Okay, cool. But all of you do it. I must learn to stop. Toxicity will only continue to breathe more toxicity. I had a video from Lorraine today. And was that nice? Was that really nice? I know I'm not defending anyone. I'm not team anyone. I just thought, this live I'ma come out. I just be my damn self. This live. You can do better. Shit, all of you, everyone can do better. Everyone. Yes, me mix up. Me a mix up. And I get mixed up from all over the place. to come talk about, right? But for most of you who sits in your pages and talk, you can do better. You just have to have the mindset to want to do better. And tell yourself you're going to do better. None of Tina Chin. Tina Chin ain't no saint. She's no saint. No one on here is saint. No one. No one on here is saints. No one on here is saints. I know, knowing them, that they're all gonna think, oh, and try and comfort. But darling, or not come back in a circle. Let's be real. I'm not gonna look on none of you. Just come on, come talk. We don't care. I want to learn to do better. And you know another thing. Are you guys not tired of the same mix-up every day with the same group of people, the same collective? I'm talking the Lorraines, the Tina Chins, all of them who comes out the same shit. Oh, no, not tired-eyed. That this goes for Lorraine and Tina Chin and everyone else too. Are you guys not tired of it? You see, if you guys were being versatile and talking about a variety of gossip, it would have made sense. But every God almighty day is the same shit. Grow the hell up. All of you, grow the hell up on our big people. 3/4 of you are grandparents. 3/4 of you are grandparents. And every day you guys come out here, want to come out here with the same bullshit. That ain't going nowhere. Oftentimes, unless I beat one person, 2 person, or 3, for the same shit, that ain't going nowhere. I'm not team anyone. I'm just team the truth. I don't know who she is. I just know I've had some lives in the past that were deleted. She's not a saint. No one on here is saints. No one on here is saints. Nobody. If you're tired, you wouldn't be supporting them. I'm sure I see you on other platforms, madam. You can't be that tired. You can't be that tired. Because if you was tired, you wouldn't be supporting the same trash talks every day. You see, if everyone was like mixing it up, right? Just mixing it up. It would make sense. But every day, all you guys want to do is sit on here and support the same trash. Like, get a grip. I'm sure 3/4 of you on here are grandparents. 3/4. I'm not a parent. I'm a young man. I should have been a parent, but I'm not a parent. But 3/4 of you on here are parents and grandparents and all of those things. And you come in here the same conversation every day. Same thing. Lorraine, all I'm going to ask you to do is to stop inserting people's young families into your conversation, because every time you do this, it's just showing social media how small-minded that you are. You continue to insert people's family members in your conversation, people in